Have your church ever considered how Bitcoin could help fund your vision? Attention ministry leaders and visionaries. Are you ready to unlock a new frontier in funding your divine mission? Join us for an eye-opening Bitcoin workshop tailored specifically for ministries. Bitcoin for Ministry, Funding Your Vision. Date, December 30th, 2024. Time, 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Cost, $47 per group, covers 10 seats. Discover how Bitcoin can revolutionize your ministry's financial strategy and help fuel your God-given vision. This workshop will equip you with the knowledge and tools to harness the power of cryptocurrency for kingdom purposes. What you'll learn: Bitcoin basics for ministry contexts, implementing Bitcoin donations, securing and managing digital assets, leveraging Bitcoin for global outreach. Don't miss this opportunity to stay ahead in the digital age and expand your ministry's financial horizons. Register now. Visit lesliedrichardson.com to secure your spots today. Space is limited, so gather your team and register now. Let's embrace innovative solutions to fund the future of ministry together. Creating a Bitcoin wallet for church donations is a practical step towards embracing this digital currency. A Bitcoin wallet allows churches to receive donations securely and efficiently. Leaders should explore various wallet options, including custodial and non-custodial wallets, to determine which best meets their needs. Providing clear guidance on how to set up and use the wallet can encourage members to contribute in Bitcoin, further integrating this modern financial tool into the church's operations. As the world continues to evolve digitally, churches that adapt to these changes will be better positioned to fulfill their mission and engage with their congregations. The emergence of cryptocurrency, particularly Bitcoin, has fundamentally transformed the landscape of modern finance, presenting new opportunities and challenges for religious institutions. As leaders and pastors consider the implications of this digital currency, understanding its role in modern finance becomes crucial. Cryptocurrency operates on a decentralized network, enabling peer-to-peer transactions without the need for traditional banking systems. This shift not only democratizes finance, but also offers a unique platform for churches to engage with their congregations and the broader community.